Welcome to the 2023 Pwochen Lead Scholarship Gala. The Georgia Haitian American Chamber of Commerce Incorporated continues to empower and connect members of our Haitian communities. We are proud to be a welcoming city and work to ensure that all Atlantans share in our city's continued growth. Congratulations to this year's scholarship recipients. You all represent the future leaders of our society and an enduring legacy of Haitian excellence. Thank you all for being here tonight and supporting these impressive young people. We are grateful for your engagement with our civil, cultural, and social entities that have united our people and strengthened global ties. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.